How to get unbanned in your Roblox account. Hey guys, in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you that how you can make your account unbanned in the Roblox. So the steps are really easy and simple. So now let's get started. So first of all, you have to log in into your Roblox by creating a new account. You just have to create a random account, and after that you just have to go into your Roblox, and here you have to go into its top settings. Now from here you just have to add these support settings of your Roblox. Now once you are in, here is the option of the contact us. You have to click on it, and from here you have to scroll down, and as you can see that here in the down there is the option of the appeal account and content questions. You have to select the appeal your account moderation, and again you have to scroll down, and here is the option of the was this article helpful. You just have to click on the no, and you have to go in the need more help contact support here. Now once you are in the contact information, here you have to add your username and your first name, and it is optional. You have to make sure to add your email address, and you have to confirm your email address here. And after that, here you have to select the issue details, in which first option of the what device are you having the problem on. You have to select the device, and you have to select the type of help category, and from here you have to select the moderation. Now from here you have to go in the please select, and here you have to appeal your account. Now from here you have to add the description of your issue, in which you have to type that you want to unban your account that is wrongly banned. And after that you have to make sure to add your username and simply submit your report. And after submitting your report, you have to wait for the Roblox to respond to your report, because this is the only way that you can get unbanned from your Roblox account. So if this video helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe the channel, and see you in the next video.